Learning management system. Sign into ClassLink. It is on the WPS 259 portal, and you'll sign in using Microsoft. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the Google Classroom icon. Then, and the icon looks like the little icon I have over here on the left in the top. Then you're going to click on the little plus sign and click Join Class. That is your second step. Your third step is to enter the class code provided by the teacher. Welcome to Google Classroom. This is an example of my 9th hour that I had, and each one of the classes was customized with their own little picture up at top, and it said my name and the hour. Next year I might do social studies, but I just kept it as my name because I was the only one with that name, and there were multiple teachers that were teaching social studies. At the top of the page in Google Classroom, you're going to see Stream and you're going to see Classwork. Students, these are the two words you will see at the top of your page on Google Classroom. Stream, the teacher will post most important announcements and information here. So an example would be something that happened before we went on Christmas break. We had a lot of students that were having some issues with their iPads, and so we gave them an opportunity to leave their iPads with us during break, or we gave them some ideas of things that they could do to keep their iPad safe, such as over break, store your iPad in a safe place, away from siblings, food, animals, and liquids. Give your eyes a break, limit your screen time, listen for info on grade level challenges, keep your screen protector on, and if you'd like to store it at school during break, you can leave it with me, your teacher, or you can leave it with Miss Erickson, who was our technology lady. Classwork with due dates are listed here inside of Google Classroom. All these assignments are listed by name. They are digital or tell you where to locate the paper assignments in the classroom. These are some examples that we had. We had the Civil War, slavery and sectionalism, social reform movement. The content will tell them about reading material, textbook pages to read, and possible digital handouts. Assignments that are on paper, these are the must-dos. So our first must-dos will be the grid system, the compass rose, the title, the key or the legend, and the scale. And I will have them located in these little folders over here. I actually have 2 sets of them so that they will be in the classroom. All assignments such as must do, aspire to do, and should do that are on paper will be located here by number and unit, and students will have access to all of the assignments. This will be located at the back of the room, hung up on the wall. Self-check. Students can look at all the assignments to see if they are turned in, returned, or missing. Also, if parents have access to Google Classroom, they can look here as well to see what their student is missing, and I will show you that in just a little bit. So, inviting parents or guardians to Google Classroom. You can, students, invite your parents or guardians to your Google Classroom so that they can see what assignments you are currently doing or you have done, and an email will be sent out to the guardians or parents so that they can log onto Google Classroom to see their students' progress. Grades. Grades will be posted by the teacher to a program called Synergy, and grades are updated every 2 weeks. The grades will be viewable using Parent View and or Student View. Students have their own individual password and username to get in. Parents signed up with their individual username and password as well. So students and parents both have access to Parent View and Student View so that they can get in and check grades on a daily basis if they would like. Student Progress Tracker. The Student Progress Tracker is located on the left side in the pocket of the student's folder. Each hour has a different color, and folders are located in the file cabinet. On the file cabinet, each hour is labeled with its own hour. The folders actually have file holders, and they're in different colors, so different colors will indicate which hour you belong to. And as I said, your folder will be color-coded per your hour. So if you are in 6th hour, it may be in red. If you were in 9th hour, it may be black. Progress tracker. They're located on the left side of the board at the front of the classroom so that they can be updated every day, every time that students get an assignment done. And then once they reach mastery, then they will receive a star. If they have completed something, it will have an X. If it needs to be revised or reassessed, it will have an RR. As you can see, everybody's doing really well right now. I do have animals, and I do have one student that wanted their name up there. So we're going to see what's going to work best for us and making sure that we are all content and happy with however we'd like to have ours up there. And I hope the students will also want to possibly do some type of game to see who's ahead. Textbook. Students will use the textbook throughout the year. It's located under each student's desk. There is only a classroom set. Students, the textbook is also digital in case you need to access it away from school. And mastery checks. The teacher will have the mastery check. The mastery check will be in different colors for each unit. When ready to have graded, students will turn in the mastery check to the turn-in basket on the teacher's desk. The only people on the teacher's desk should be those turning in the mastery sheet, a mastery check. Thank you guys. Have a good night. Bye.